after calculation, we can check now. This is the display. The summary is displayed. We have 10 cells which have sector swaps, and the total ratio is 2.2% as per network level summary, and 26 cells have azimuth issues as per network, so it is 5.8%. And for each carrier, information summary is also mentioned here. So it is for network level, this is for carrier level 2.7 cells, so 4 sector swap cells out of 150, and just like L2100 and this. And it is also, if it can also give you the sector swap site level, that 2 sites have the issues, sector swap issues. It can also gives you the result table. If we go to the result tab, we can filter the result table here. It will show you the sector swap cells name, etc., and the azimuth issue. If you go to the azimuth issues, it can give you the azimuth sector swap. So now I want to, if you want to make it more clear, so you need to increase the serving distance for this side. So serving distance I have increased for this analysis. So now again I need to calculate the I press the calculation. So the calculation is in progress. Let's see what is the calculation, what is the result for this. So let us check. Now successful calculation, I have increased the distance. Now let's check the summary. Now when we increase the calculation, it gives most accurate, the result is now more accurate, and the azimuth issue cell decreased by 10, because in less distance it can calculate on less MR data, and if we increase the MR distance, it can get more MR data, and when the data is more, the machine can work more reliable, and it can understand more efficiently according to the MR grid points, that what will be the result, and its calculation is more genuine and can give more genuine results. So this is the result for that. And same as the azimuth, you can filter sector swap cells. It can show you the top sector swap cell for azimuth issue cells. It can show the azimuth cells. Okay, now let's check the no sector swap cell and find out the azimuth. You see, it is the actual azimuth in database is 280 degree. Now it is 278. It is just like a less difference is showing. The actual serving calculated based on MR is 278, and in EP sheet it is 280. It means that the tool is working properly, and it can give you an accurate serving direction orientation of any antenna installed on your tower based on MR data and engineering parameter data. So use this tool for your analysis. It will give you a fruitful result, and it can reduce the cost for traditional methods to finding sector swap analysis, etc. You can change the mood for the look for in the tool. You can, if you want a light mood, you can change from here the mood for your tool, and if I want to change to the dark mood, you can change to the dark mood. So anytime, and dynamically the charts, you can make a good presentations by copying these images to your PPT and to share it with your higher management, and help you in that. You can save the result from here anywhere, just like I am saving the result. It is saved. Result already exists, so I save the result. You can in Excel format, your result is saved. You can also work further in your Excel sheet. This result table is automatically saved in the folder you have mentioned or saved anywhere. So this is our tool. You can use it. It is a very excellent tool. It can save you a lot of time, money, resources, everything, and find you a sector swap and actual serving azimuth from the office, and help you optimize your network and improve your KPIs like CDR, CSSR, for 5G MR, based on 5G MR, based on 4G MR, and 3G HGPS MR. We can also upgrade this tool according to your use by finding overlapping cells or shooting cell in future. And there are different methods of deploying. This is, we can share you a software which can be installed in your system, and you can easily use it without any worries of cybersecurity, etc. Thank you so much for using our tool.